Hi, I'm Jared, a trainer with Sunny Health and Fitness, and today I'm going to walk you through the key features of the ultra-silent smart elliptical exerciser and how you can make the most out of your workout experience. If you've ever watched someone performing elliptical machine workouts from the side, you'll notice their feet and legs move in an oval, hence the machine's name. Even though it mimics running, your feet never leave the revolving foot platforms, which means your body doesn't experience the excessive force that an exercise like running places on your joints. With the handles added for arm movement, the elliptical will engage the upper body as well, giving you a full body, low impact workout. The elliptical enables you to safely elevate your heart rate and reap all the benefits of cardiovascular training while decreasing stress on your joints. This makes the elliptical ideal for all levels of fitness. One of the best features of this elliptical is in the title, Ultra Silent. The silent belt drive mechanism coupled with dual aluminum rails for silent and smooth gliding guarantees quiet and peaceful workouts at your home. It has a 300-pound capacity, boasts a 16-inch stride length. This is considered a long stride that allows for full and wider ranges of motion, which engage your muscles more efficiently. The non-slip pedals will keep you secure and focused on your stride as you follow your metrics on the digital monitor. Track the metrics such as time, speed, calories, RPM, distance, and pulse. You can track your heart rate by connecting to our wireless heart rate monitor, or you can use the built-in pulse sensors on the handlebars that are latex-free. With 16 levels of resistance to choose from to help you increase the intensity of your workout, you can push yourself to the limit. This is a smart elliptical, meaning that you can access personalized training with an advanced digital monitor that connects to the SunnyFit app. Here, you can find thousands of workouts led by our expert trainers to keep you fit and motivated through your fitness journey. The setup is fast and easy. Simply follow the written instructions or a video guide, and you're minutes away from using your new elliptical machine. To ensure safety when using this machine, hold onto the handrails first, then step onto the foot plates. Start moving your feet in a forward motion and start connecting seamlessly to your metrics. To increase the intensity of your workout, simply turn the resistance dial to the right or turn it to the left for an easier workout. When you're finished, come to a complete stop and step off the machine 1 foot at a time. Once you're done with the workout, the convenient transportation wheels allow you to easily move it out of the way if desired. You can put your mind at ease knowing that Sunny offers a 3-year warranty on the frame and a 180-day guarantee on other parts and components. We stand behind our commitment to quality and performance. You have the support of a loyal customer service team who will answer any of the questions you have. I've discussed the main aspects of this full-body workout companion, and now it's your turn to experience it yourself. The ultra-silent smart elliptical exerciser from Sunny Health and Fitness will level up your cardio game in silence so that you can focus on your fitness.